Severe coronal breakdown and unfavorable axial contours can render a tooth incapable of retaining a rubber dam clamp. Non-bonded composite resin injected 360 degrees around what remains of the coronal structure and over and around the beaks of the clamp, as well as into undercuts afforded by adjacent teeth, and sometimes all the way around those adjacent teeth, can significantly enhance isolation and can add tremendous stability to an otherwise weakly retained clamp. Access can then be redesigned, sometimes through a portion of that composite donut. In this particular case, the long chamber is chased well into the mid-root where the separate buccal and lingual canals are refined with a 35 millimeter long latch-type slow-speed quarter-round burr. The canals are then projected from deep within the root to the cavo surface of the access cavity, where they are easily visualized and can be accessed by endodontic instruments much more easily. To achieve this, the deep chamber is etched and primed, and two skinny projectors are placed to act as internal matrix barriers. Bonding agent is then introduced and distributed over the etched surfaces with a blast of air. Injection of autopolymerizing composite resin from deep within the root essentially reformulates the internal aspects of the root in a user-friendly way around these projectors. On polymerization, the files are removed, leaving the projectors submerged. The occlusal surface is reduced with a high-speed bullnose diamond, which in this case exposes one of the projectors. The pilot hole leading to the other projector is chased with a number 4 slow-speed round burr until the burr falls into the soft black plastic of the projector. Both projectors are then removed by engaging them with Hedstrom files and withdrawing. Cleaning, shaping, and obturation can now proceed as usual. Obturation in this case is by warm vertical condensation of gutta percha. The backpack is via interfacer-tipped single gutta percha cones in each canal, centrally heated and then condensed. Sealer is cleared from the projected canal walls with alcohol, and the walls are then freshened with a high-speed football diamond, and in this case a color contrasting composite resin is injected directly over the gutta percha, adhesing to the pre-existing composite resin. Often the composite donut will cleanly release with a simple tweak of the clamp by the rubber dam forceps, but sometimes it requires a little encouragement. In this case, some grooves in the donut and cracking away using a Woodson instrument. Final crown preparation can usually proceed at this point. In this particular case, however, additional composite will be bonded at a later date to available coronal structure and to pre-existing composite to idealize the preparation.